kini kesngi. Ka jingsiang daki Sainar Fibre kabel ha Kylleng ke Jylla ban pentikna ya ka jing penyesno kabala jandep artat batkan sedang nadu ubenai leber usnem banwan. Haba pentip ya kini hadin bala penyat ya ka Jylang bat ketenat patai jingtip henin kesngi u menteri rangba u kongrat kesang ma ong bala dep ban projek ya kini ke projek. Kasorkar kekmi lenti bo on la ban sedang ya kekam ha upnai leber jong usnem banwan bat on pendep ha po khat ar ni khat san banai baro ki blok ha ke Jylla bat baro ki subdivision on penyesno da ki Sainar Optical Fibre. Shu ukongrat ong ba kani ke projek kalong ka bakongsan da ka babu jingmut ya ki babun na ki e-governance project ba kasorkar kadang le.
And we had a detailed discussion with the telecom wing of the power grid, where we are moving forward now to lay optical lines all the way to all the blocks. So the roadmap has been laid, and in a phase-wise manner, this project will start. We expect the work to commence sometime in the month of March next year, and we expect that within about 12 to 15 months time, that means by 2025, sometime around June, July, we do expect that all the blocks in the state, all the subdivisions, and obviously all the districts, all of them will be connected by optical fiber.
U Shinrai Lakadong Jong Kamikhalia